All right, let's hit the core hard with V-ups. This is a powerful ab move that targets both the upper and lower abdominal muscles in one clean motion. Start by lying flat on your back with your legs extended and arms reaching overhead. Engage your core, then lift your arms and legs at the same time, reaching for your toes at the top. At the peak, your body should form a V shape, legs straight, arms extended, and core fully engaged. Then lower back down with control and repeat. Keep your movement smooth and don't let your feet or shoulders slam into the floor. This is about control, not speed. Common mistakes: avoid bending your knees, throwing your arms, or letting your lower back pop off the ground. Keep your spine neutral and core braced. Need a modification? Bend your knees into tuck-ups or alternate between legs. Want a challenge? Add a pause at the top or slow down the descent for more time under tension. Stay tight, stay controlled, and let's carve out that core.